Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. First, always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, press the brake pedal down firmly. If your vehicle uses a traditional key, insert it into the ignition. For models with a keyless system, simply have the keyless operation key inside the vehicle. For Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross models equipped with push-button start, the process is straightforward. Make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Then, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, simply push the engine start/stop button. The engine should then start, and you'll be ready to drive. If your Eclipse Cross isn't starting, begin by checking the 12-volt battery, as a weak or dead battery is a common cause. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent starting. Confirm you are using the recommended 91 unleaded fuel. If the engine cranks slowly or not at all, these are good first steps to diagnose the issue. For advanced tips, be aware of cold weather starting procedures, as extreme temperatures can affect your battery and fluids. It's also wise to know how to jumpstart your vehicle in an emergency, connecting the red cable to positive and black to a metal surface. And speaking of smart choices, the third bullet point mentions a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.